Welcome! If you're missing important updates from your favorite Telegram channels, this quick guide will show exactly how to enable channel notifications so you never miss a post again. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might appear as 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. From the menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options, including how and when you receive notifications. Inside Settings, scroll a little until you find Notifications and Sounds, then tap on it. This section controls alerts for messages, groups, and most importantly, channels. Now, look for the Channels option. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. When the switch is enabled, Telegram will start sending you notifications whenever a channel you follow posts new content. If you want to take it a step further, you can also customize how these notifications behave. For example, you can choose the notification sound, enable or disable vibration, or decide whether previews of messages should appear on your screen. These small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you follow multiple channels. Keep in mind that even if channel notifications are turned on globally, individual channels may still have their own notification settings. So if you're not receiving alerts from a specific channel, open that channel, tap its name at the top, and make sure notifications are enabled there as well. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made sure you stay updated with everything that matters to you on Telegram. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more simple and updated Telegram tips to make your experience even better.